Hey guys, welcome to a new episode on Cooking with Anadi. Today we're making some chicken parm sandwiches. So let's get started right now. So here I have a piece of chicken which I've sliced in half and flattened it out using two pieces of plastic wrap and a rolling pin. You can always use a meat tenderizer, do whatever you want to get an even thinness to your chicken. So next, dredge your chicken with the flour. So shake off excess and add it to your eggs, both sides. And next over here, I have some whole wheat panko. Season this with salt, pepper, some Italian seasoning, and a little hint of cayenne. Mix this up. This is your final coating, so I don't find the point in seasoning your flour. So this is your final coating, so season that well. Get any excess egg out, straight into your breadcrumbs. Flip it. And then press. This will really help to really make sure those nice seasoned breadcrumbs are a part of your chicken. So I have my oil heating on medium heat here. I'm using vegetable oil. We want to shallow fry this. So now take your chicken and lay in your oil always away from you. So cook this until both sides are golden brown. Then we'll finish this in the oven. So my chicken is cooked now. I flipped it. It took only about a minute and a half. It has a nice color. It's so thin that it's going to cook really fast. You don't want it to burn, so let's take it out now. Be careful. So I've placed this on a wire rack. This is really going to help make sure that the bottom does not become all mushy and gooey and disgusting as it rests and bakes in the oven. So our chicken is ready to go in the oven. Let's dress this up. So here's the marinara sauce. You can see how to make the marinara sauce if you click on the link up above. So my simple marinara, put a nice spoonful of it right on top. I'm gonna go with 2 actually. Spread this almost to the edge. You want to see that nice crust. Next, dress it up with some nice, delicious mozzarella cheese. There's nothing better than mozzarella, guys. There's your cheese. And finally, finish it with the generous grating of parmesan cheese. Use grana padano as well. Even cheddar. Some people may like cheddar, but I wouldn't do that. Going traditional today. So after you've dressed the chicken with the cheese and the sauce, transfer it to an oven and broil it until the cheese is nice and golden brown. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want the cheese to get too burned. While my chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna toast my buns. This is some nice Italian bread which I made yesterday. First real try. And I'm really excited to try this. I think it tastes really good. And I cut this little piece here. So while my chicken is in the oven, I'm going to toast these up till they're nice and crispy. There you have it, guys. It's almost ready. Let's assemble this sandwich and get on eating. Wow. That's a huge sandwich. But I bet those who follow me on Instagram have seen me eating a much bigger sandwich. There you have it, guys. This is an epic looking sandwich. And this is so big. This is definitely going to fill you up, make you happy, and really make sure you have a good night. I'm gonna enjoy this sandwich right now, and you do the same. Make sure to subscribe to my videos to see more epic sandwiches like this and many more other recipes. And until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.